How to start a bagel shop checklist for 2025.
If you're thinking about opening a bagel shop, there's a lot to consider. From choosing the right location to designing the menu, this checklist will guide you every step of the way. Take your idea from dream to reality. Bagels are a popular food and sales are growing. They offer the perfect balance between on-the-go food and a cozy dining experience. By creating a unique bagel shop, you can stand out and become a permanent part of the local community. Should your shop be a small bagel window in the city, a cozy cafe in the suburbs, or a mobile food truck? Your choice of format will affect your customer base and your startup costs. Consider your customers, the location, and what your budget allows. Think of your business plan as your recipe for success. Describe your shop, target audience, competitors, operational strategies, and financial analysis. This plan will guide you in day-to-day decisions and potential investors. Starting a bagel shop often requires significant investment. The average cost is between $100 and $800 per square foot. Explore financing options such as loans, crowdfunding, or family investments. Your location determines your customers. Think about accessibility, parking options, and proximity to public transportation. Also consider rental costs and whether the location fits your store's aesthetic. Various permits and licenses are inevitable no matter where you start your business. Get started early to avoid costly delays. Choose your bagel types and toppings strategically. Should you offer unique flavors, gluten-free bagels, or special seasonal offerings? Incorporate customer feedback to always optimize.
Proper kitchen equipment and POS, point of sale systems, will ensure your shop runs efficiently. Examine your needs in relation to your chosen shop format. Plan your store layout with customer experience in mind. Is it easy to find your way to the checkout? Do you have comfortable seating? Design is not just about functionality, but also about aesthetics.
Your employees are the heart of your shop. Hire a friendly and skilled team and make sure they are properly trained in customer service and food handling. If they thrive, your shop will too. Stand out with eye-catching branding. Develop a memorable logo, color scheme, and name. Ensure consistency across your website, social media, and physical store. A good marketing strategy is essential. Use social media, advertising, and SEO to reach your customers. Create excitement at the opening with introductory offers like a free bagel. Consider a preview or soft launch among friends and locals. This gives you honest feedback and opportunities to fine-tune before the grand opening. By following this checklist, your dream of a successful bagel shop can be realized. Although there are many steps and challenges, the reward in a shop full of happy customers is worth it. Act now. Start planning today and take the first steps towards opening your own bagel shop. Success is just around the corner. Set a plan for growth by expanding your range, partnering with local suppliers, and participating in events to attract new customers. Focus on quality ingredients and innovative recipes. Prioritize customer service to create lasting connections, ensuring your bagel shop becomes a beloved local destination. Having a clear vision and strategy will guide you through challenges, ensuring a unique, delightful experience that keeps customers returning to your bagel shop.